People contact us every day with their problems, and that's great because we fix problems. It's what we do. This is a 2021 Toyota Tacoma tailgate that was covered with multiple dents. The customer could have taken this to a body shop where in those dented areas, they would have grinded the original paint off down to the bare metal, filled the dents with body filler, and then repainted the tailgate. As you can see, this truck is white, but do you know how many different shades of white there are? So the body shop will pick the closest white to match the rest of the truck, and then it is what it is once they paint it. And on top of all that, your vehicle could be sitting at a body shop for a week or longer while it's in line to be repaired. What we do is completely different than that. And we remove dents and dings using a method called Paintless Dent Repair, also known as PDR. We don't repaint anything. There's no body fillers involved. Your vehicle gets to keep its original paint finish, so you don't have to worry about your tailgate paint color not matching the rest of your truck. You're keeping your original paint finish, which is always the best possible scenario. PDR is used to remove dents with specialized rods and tools that we use to manipulate the metal in order to get it back to its original shape. There's a misconception that all dents can be quickly and easily popped out, but with hundreds and sometimes thousands of strategic pushes in just the right places, you can see how this technique actually takes years to perfect, and depending on your particular dent, sometimes it can take hours in order to get a quality level repair. Barton went to this customer's home to make the repair, and in a matter of hours, his patience along with skill produced what you see here, a really great repair. Coastal Excellence Mobile Dent Repair. We do mobile dent repair, and excellence matters to us.